Before you buy anything from Restelle.shop, stop and listen to this quick warning. I've seen a flood of complaints from shoppers, especially over on Instagram, saying that after they paid, they never got their package. No tracking update, no parcel, nothing. Even worse, there's no public phone number for Restelle.shop. So if your order goes missing, you're pretty much stuck with unanswered emails and zero support. It gets sketchier. Recent comments from April 2026 are calling the site a flat-out scam. Some even say this business was officially closed back in 2024, but they're still taking people's money. And the emails they list? Shoppers say they bounce back or just don't work at all. Fake contact details are a huge red flag. Now, if you're still considering buying those bedding products, listen up. The sheets don't stretch. You have to measure your mattress exactly if you want any hope of a good fit. No wiggle room and no returns if you get it wrong. If you're feeling brave and still want to try your luck, at least use a payment method with buyer protection, like a credit card or PayPal. That way, you can dispute the charge if your order never shows up. And pay close attention to the website address. Don't confuse Restelle.shop with similar-sounding shops like Estelle Clothing or Restyle.pl. Those have solid Trustpilot ratings and real return policies. If you've already ordered and haven't heard anything after 48 hours, no confirmation, no tracking, call your bank right away. Dispute the charge, and maybe even ask for a new card to keep your money safe. Stay sharp, and don't let shady sites catch you off guard.